retired. Ay, okay, okay.
Wala, basta
Ha? Oh, see? Okay, no, don't go now. There's a long line. Si Mother, yan yung si Kambal. Jilana, say hi, tita. Ito naman si Jilana eh. Jilana, did you say hi, tita? Okay, okay, okay. Oo, syempre. Isa pa lang apo?
isa pa lang.
Hindi pa nag-asawa si Bernina?
Hindi, pero may boyfriend.
Oo nga, akala ko, oo nga eh.
Ay, ito ba yung sinasabi?
Oo, ito, oh, maikli lang. Punta ka na muna. Maikli lang, kuya, oh. Si kuya. Astig kayo. Pila pa more.
They want to wait for food or they good?
No, they're good now. We have... Okay, isa pang hug. Baka di na tayo magkita. Hug muna. Okay, okay.
Yung picture, ha?
Yeah, kuya. Thank you. Ingat kayo. Ay, nagtatrabaho ko sa... Mag-travel ako sa Dillingham. Nagtatrabaho ako sa ano kung...
We retired already.
Oh, retired na? Wala, sa Dillingham pa rin kayo? Oh, sige, mag-visit ako. Pero hindi na Pilipinas o ano?
Punta kami ng Philippines sa Wednesday dahil itong kapatid dito.
Oh, okay, sige, punta. Importante yun. Okay, I love you.
I love you too. Bye. Ingat kayo.
Oo, yeah. Bye, kuya. Where are they now?
They're not ready.
Wala? Ayan mo na. O, see the small line. Mga kasama ko yan sa Dillingham. Mabait yan si Ate Angie. Binigyan ako ng maraming isda niya. She just like, hi Winnie. She's like, I didn't see her at all. Whoa. Honey, it's so nice to see them.
They're retired too, living in Dillingham, going back and forth.
Yeah, to the Philippines,
Well, I
yeah.
don't know if they really-
This Wednesday, yeah.
I don't know if they really retired, but they kind of.
They have their grandkids there. So that's really nice,
Where are
huh?
the grandkids in Dillingham?
Yeah, they have one. That's so funny how make it difference the bathroom, huh? Okay ba, Mother? No, maganda na. They said they didn't pay anything. What we pay?
Why do we pay?
VIP. Oh, shoot,
For that
there's...
seating area, we gotta find it. Yeah, it's free. That's why it's so popular.
Hi!
You want a brat?
No, I'm okay. I already lost 2 pounds.